What's up, guys? It's your boy Clutch C, man. I just wanted to come on, do a quick video. Getting ready to do this first ride of 2026. Hey, man, I just wanted to take you with me. I wanted to make sure, to wish all of YouTube and my subscribers and all my YouTubers, happy New Year's and a prosperous 2026. Hey, man, we're going to take this ride. It's really nice today, about 70 degrees, but the wind is blowing, so it feels a lot colder. So we're gonna go to the baby curves and, hey, just come on ride with me, man. I'm not gonna talk too much. I'm just gonna do a quick ride. I'm checking out my new Christmas present, which is my GoPro 13 that I got for Christmas. And so I've already did a couple of good tests on my Insta 360. I used it for Twisted in Texas too. I had no idea how to use it, but I finally got some editing done on it. So stay tuned to the end. We're gonna do some bonus footage of the 360 camera. And hey, man, so yeah, I just want to wish you and yours a prosperous 2026. So come on, ride with me, man. I'm not gonna do much talking, as I said. It's just gonna be a lot of riding. Make sure you stay to the end for that bonus 360 footage. Hey, we'll see you on the road. Hey, man, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, boy. Yesterday it was like 32 degrees, really cold. And today it's just a nice, beautiful day, man. I hope y'all somewhere where you're able to ride your bike. And I just wanted to thank God for a beautiful day, man. I mean, just to be alive. And it's just a plus if I can ride my bike. Yeah, I want to wish you and yours a happy 2026, man. And I'm praying for health and wealth and blessings on all of us. Yeah, I want to shout out to all my YouTubers, and I'm wishing all you guys and ladies a prosperous 2026 with your channels, with your family, with your life. So are there any new endeavors for 2026? Maybe it's to finish a project for 2025 or to start a new project for 2026. Have a list of things I'd like to accomplish in 2026 in my head. I just got to write it down on paper. That way I can look back at it through the year and just check out the things that I've accomplished. It's a little windy out here, man, but it feels really great. I'm out here riding with my road dog Triple T. Man, this is one of the roads I come down a lot, and it had these this black tar snakes, I guess you call it. And I used to try to dodge them, Now I just let the bike do what it's gonna do, and he got it on through. The popo. I usually come through here rolling. Yeah, when you see, I used to try to dodge him. Now I just go right over it and just let the bike do what it's gonna do, and keep a loose grip on the bars, and it'll adjust itself. I mean, it feels really weird first couple of times you do it. Hey man, I'm not gonna talk much, but but you can come on and enjoy the ride with me. I'm finna hit the baby curves. Alright, we got a sound contest going on. See you. gonna go ahead and sign off. I just want to wish everybody a blessed and prosperous 2026 year. Hey man, make sure you keep Twoz on the ground and always ride your way. Later.
Low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.